Hello again. This is Math 2270 coming to you from the College page. The title of this lecture is Midterm Guidance, and as always, please be an attentive listener while watching this video. By way of introduction, the midterm is important and you do want to do well. It will be taken in the testing center during a prescribed interval. Please be courteous to the testing staff and abide by all of their rules. And again, realize this can be a significant advantage for you, so work to make it so. Plan ahead about when and how long you'll spend taking it, and realize that it's a significant part of your grade. It is at least 1/3 of your grade. So take it seriously, and please understand that I will do as well. Again, no prescribed fixed time limit. It's going to be deployed in the testing center on or before the morning of 3/12. It must be completed by the close of testing center business, whenever that is, on 3/17. You must have a picture ID and know your student ID to take it, and you're to take this exam in one sitting. You will be proctored and video recorded, so honesty is expected and dishonesty will not be tolerated. There will be no calculator and no notes. Scratch paper will be provided by the testing center as much as you want. Look up their schedule. This is on you. And realize that there may be a line. Sometimes there is. So allow ample time, not only to take the test, but maybe to wait in line as well. This is the beginning of the context guidance. There will be 12 equally weighted problems. Some might have multiple parts. Again, no calculators or notes. Final answers rather should be placed in the place specified on the exam, and you will be required to do some integrals. Answers should be legible because you have the time to make it so. Again, scratch paper is available, and there really are not going to be any grace notes on the midterm. On the final there will be, because I will give you a table of Laplace transforms, but that's pretty much it. Okay, so this is the topical description as guidelines. There are 12 numbered problems that are equally weighted, but some might have multiple parts. And so you should not expect the problems to be in this order, and you must identify a viable approach, because I'm not saying solve this problem using separation of variables. So anyway, there's a modeling problem. It'll be a word problem. It'll be a first order differential equation application for you to solve. There'll be an application of Picard's theorem. There will be solving a named ODE. Now, we had several named ODEs. We had Bernoulli, Riccardi, and others. And so I will ask you two of these. I will ask you a homogeneous first order differential equation, a linear first order differential equation. I will ask you to perform reduction of order on a second order differential equation. I will ask you to solve an exact ordinary differential equation. I will ask you to solve a separable differential equation and provide the interval validity for that. I will ask you to solve a Cauchy-Euler equation. I will ask you to solve a problem with annihilators and also with variation of parameters. Now, that adds up to 12, because number 3 in the list, number 3, this one, maybe it's not number 3 the way you count, but I count it as number 3, has 2 problems associated with it, so that does add up to 12. Realize that some of the problems may have initial or other conditions. By special request, I will be posting videos addressing exact equations and posting something to help you with picking an approach. Those will happen soon. These slides and those resources are going to be posted in your syllabus tab and will be announced separately. Remember that fortune favors the prepared. This is something that Louis Pasteur famously said. So do prepare, and support abounds. We have Jesse Hayes Carver guided study groups, my office hours, and the math assistance area is opened better than 70 hours per week. In closing, now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math that will make you strong. And now more than ever, take care of yourself and of each other. God bless you all.